English is not about memorizing big grammar rules or feeling scared of making mistakes. It is about understanding, practice, and confidence. This course is designed for everyone who wants to speak English fluently, think in English naturally, and communicate without fear. We will start step by step, with simple explanations of grammar, fixing common mistakes, and learning how to use everyday English words correctly. You will practice sentence building, daily vocabulary, and real-life conversations so English becomes a habit, not a pressure. You will also get PDF resources, hard words for daily conversation, and vocabulary links that help you practice anytime. Each lesson is clear, practical, and focused on speaking, with simple tasks that improve confidence and communication skills. Here, mistakes are not failures, they are part of learning. If you want to speak English clearly, confidently, and naturally in daily life, this course is made for you.